can you record him?
I'm recording him.
Don't record that guy. That guy.
Okay, here we go. Here's this guy.
I'll record.
Make his mouth go up and down. This one makes the mouth go up and down. Okay, now make his head go side to side with this one. And this one makes his eyeballs go side to side.
I like to do them all together.
He's going crazy.
I like to do them all together. My guy, I like to do him crazy.
Yep, he's going crazy. Good job.